So here at CVM, we have shown you how to use our side steps and our rear ramp, but today we're here to show you how to use our lift. To start off with, simply grab your remote controller. You will see an up, a down, a pull up and a pull down. So when you are looking to unload your passengers, you want to be pressing the unload button here, which will start to bring out the bottom tray like so. You will hear a beeping noise, which indicates that it is in motion. Simply stand clear for the area before it gets fully horizontal, like so. Once the lift is at this angle, simply press the down arrow to start to unload your passenger. Remember to stand clear of the drop zone. Once you have it at its fully lowest position with the controller, simply click onto a little option over here. Now you can see that the lift is fully flat on the floor. You can begin to unload your passenger. Or alternatively, you can start to begin the loading process and repeat these steps in reverse. To begin the loading process, you simply take your remote controller and do the steps that I've just shown you in reverse. So to begin the lifting up procedure, ensure that the wheelchair or movable object is secure on the lift. Then your next step is to press the up arrow to begin the lifting procedure. The great thing about our lifts is that they are rated to 400 kilos. But now we are in the position where it's ready to be folded up, so I need to get out of the way. As I am now out of the way, we can begin the folding up procedure. Simply look at the controls with the arrow that points upwards, and you press and hold until the folding has finished. Do ensure when doing this that all areas are clear. So once the lift is back in place, simply put the controller unit back in its little holder in the little holes here. Ensure that the wire is out the way, and then you can shut the doors and be on your way on your journeys.